Welcome to Junior Dreams Education channel, and today we are going to continue our lesson on Photoshop. So today we are going to look at a simple way we can design this simple flyer as a beginner. So first of all, let's create our web page. So Control N. I'm going to use a 4x4 with a resolution of 300 pixels and my background color white. So I'm going to create the workspace. So this is my workspace. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get any new updates. So first of all, I'm going to import my background image. So the background image I'm going to use is this one. So I'll then extend it to cover the page. So I think this one is okay now. Then let me rasterize it. Sorry. So the first test is the happy birthday. So that's what we are going to do, same thing. Okay, so let's go for our test 2. Then let's type in. So first of all, let me change this color to white so that, okay, let me use the black. So happy birthday. Is it all test or yeah, all capital? So happy birthday. Let me close this. And the next test is genius endeavor. So happy birthday, genius endeavor. Let me delete this H. Let's go for the test 2 and come and type in the genius endeavor. So happy birthday, genius endeavor. Let's press escape and then let's check the next test. That's join us for evening. I'm going to copy it. The test. Let's paste it here. Use the move tool to adjust it. So I think now this one is okay. Let me add this one to it. So you can see this is just a simple happy birthday flyer. Let me change that to white to make it visible. So the next thing we are going to do is to style this or make this look like what we are having. So for the happy birthday, you see the arrangement is like this. So we are going to do the same for this one too. Then let me use the move tool to move it. Top one, provide it. So happy birthday. So this is the font type regular 16 pixels. So let's go back. So now I'm going to use a font type of Let me use this font type. Okay, so I think this font type is okay. So now let me increase this one for the happy birthday, and also increase the day one to 100. I think this one is okay. Then let me increase the font to 24. So this is it now. So that's our happy birthday for you. So the next thing is, let me choose a style or a font for the Genius Dreams. So for the Genius Dreams 2, I'm going to choose a font for it. And for the Genius Endeavor, I'm going to choose a font for the Genius Endeavor. Let me use the Broadway. I like this font for my Genius Endeavor as the name of the person who is holding this. Let me increase that one font size. So let me use the move tool to adjust it. Then let me increase. So you can now see the name of the person. So happy birthday, Genius Endeavor. So join us for an evening luxury and celebration as we honor Genius a special day as the next day. So the next thing is for us to provide the color effect on the text. And for the color effect, let's go and see how we can get the color effect for this text. So let's go to place embedded and use an image to provide that color effect. Or it was to provide the text or the color for the join us for an evening service. So this one provide the text color for the join us for evening service. And how to get the text color on the text using this image, you are going to use the clipping marks. You click on create clipping marks to get the color for that one. So the next thing is for us to get the color for the happy birthday. So you go to place embedded. Then I'm going to choose the image for the happy birthday. So let me move this to the top of the happy birthday, rasterize it, and then create clipping marks as we did for the first one. So you can now see our happy birthday. Then the name Genius. So for the Genius too, I'm going to do same thing for the Genius. For that one, let me use this image. Let me rasterize it. Then move it on top of the Genius so that I can use the clipping marks to provide the effect on the Genius. Okay, so now let me click on the clipping marks. Let me create clipping marks for that. So now you can see happy birthday Genius Endeavor. Join us for an evening luxury and celebration as we honor Genius special day. I don't want this color and how the colors are, so I'm going to interchange them. So I want to send this one to top of the happy birthday. For the create the clipping marks again. So now you can see we are having our happy birthday Genius Endeavor. So happy birthday, Genius Endeavor. Join us for an evening of luxury and celebration as we honor Genius a special day. So you can see we've been able to create this simple happy birthday flyer as it is here. Same thing we've done here. And I think this one is even somehow good or better as compared to the first one. So the next thing is we can just try to adjust the positions. So let me shift this one down small. Okay. Then let me do same for the name to name of the person, Genius Endeavor. Sure. Then let me shift the happy birthday to small to down. Okay. So that's it. So you can just try. You can also blend. You see, join us how the color looks. You can use the blending mode to get a nice color. So I can see this one is somehow cool with the first. So you can do same to get a blending mode. You can blend all the text with our background. So let's try. You see this one too. Then you can also do same for the last one too. That's the Genius Endeavor. That's the name of the person doing the birthday. I think this one is cool for that one. Then let me change this one to fit the name of the person. Uh, So now you can see happy birthday, Genius Endeavor. So happy birthday, Genius Endeavor. Join us for an evening of luxury and celebration as we honor Genius Special Day. So we've been able to design this simple birthday flyer with just the background image and this few text. So the next thing is you can go on to add location to it and maybe the time and so on. So you can go for the test tool again and come here for the location. Then let me also give the location to be, let's say, Fiacre Park. My location as location. Okay, so let me move this one to top. I think this one is okay now. So the next thing is let me go in for the time again. So I'm going in for my time logo. And for the time logo, I'm going to use this one. As so This is going to show my time logo. Now let me transform the time small. So I think this is okay now. So the next thing is I'm going to rasterize it. Rasterize this one too. And then blend them with the background colors. So I'll use this one. Let me also do same. Let me blend this one too with the background color. Then let me come to the location name and blend it with the background color. Then let me come for the time too and blend the time with the background color. I'm going to do the same thing. So let me position my time well. Let me adjust it. So now I think this one is okay now. So you can see we've been able to design this simple birthday flyer within some few. This one is the location, which is going to take place at Fair Park. So we've been able to design this simple birthday flyer as a beginner. It's all as a beginner. So as a beginner, we are able to design this simple birthday flyer. So subscribe to my channel to get any new updates. As our next lesson, we will go more into details of this birthday flyer in another format. Thank you. Goodbye.